If someone had taken your $1,000 exactly 10 years ago and put it in the right place, you would be rich today.
If it went to the wrong place, it'd still just be $1,000. Actually worth less once you factor in inflation eating away at it.
Here's the truth. Most people's problem isn't earning money. It's that the money they do earn never ends up in the right place. The paycheck comes in, some of it gets spent, the rest just sits in a checking account. And by the end of the year, you realize inflation quietly ate your savings alive.
Money can often feel like an illusion.
Point number 5 is the one most people overlook completely, and it's the one costing them.
Number 1.
Picture this. You suddenly lose your job, a medical emergency in the family. If you've got 6 months of expenses set aside, you can make calm, clear decisions. Back to 2020. When lockdowns hit, millions of people faced sudden pay cuts or job losses overnight. The people who had an emergency fund? The formula is simple. Calculate 6 months of your monthly expenses and park that amount in a separate savings account or a liquid fund.
Number 2.
Look at the numbers. Over the last 20 years, the Indian stock market has averaged somewhere around 12–14% annual returns. Your total contribution would power of compounding.
Number 3.
Third place, gold. But not the gold you buy as jewelry for a wedding. I'm talking about digital gold, gold ETFs, or sovereign gold bonds.
During the 2008 global financial crisis, when the stock market dropped nearly sharply, most financial experts recommend keeping 5 to 10 of your total portfolio in gold, no more than that.
Number 4.
Fourth is real estate. But let me be clear about something here. Buying property directly isn't possible or even necessary for everyone. This is where a smarter option comes in. REITs, real estate investment trusts. These let you invest in real estate without buying an entire property. Just like buying stock, idea, real estate gives your portfolio stability and that hard asset feeling, but don't make it the place where all your money goes. You can sip smartly, buy gold.
Number 5.
If you spent $250 on a course, that investment paid for itself in 2 months. One major medical emergency can wipe out years of savings in a single moment. Remember this, money compounds. But so do your skills, and so does your health. Invest in both, side by side, portfolio.
Number 6.
PPF is a great example. A 15-year lock-in, government-backed guarantee. In your 20s, afford more risk. Start increasing your debt allocation to protect what you've built.
Number 7.
The 7th and final place, diversification. Meaning don't limit yourself to just one country's market. Money is sitting in just one economy, say, only your home one outcome. Because when your local market is underperforming, the US or another global economy might be doing great. Notice something? I never once told you put your money in this stock or go with this fund. An imperfect plan that starts today will always beat a perfect plan that never gets off the ground. Invest smart, not fast.